Good morning, children. Sai Ram. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing good. Now, today I am here for the subject value education. Now, teacher is going to show you something and you have to tell me who is he. Okay? Now, come on, children, tell me who is he? The boy here is there with so many sheep around. So, what is he doing here? Can anyone tell me what is the boy doing here? Yes, the boy is taking care of the sheep. Yes, he took the flock of the sheep outside so that they can eat fresh green grass. Yes, so what this boy is known as, this boy is called shepherd. Who is he? Shepherd. A shepherd means who take care of a flock of sheep and they count the number of sheep so that one or the other sheep should not go here and there. They should not get lost. So the duty of this boy, the shepherd boy, is that they have to count the sheep. They have to take out to the sheep during some interval so that they can go out and they can gaze. They can have fresh grass. They can eat, right? So the job of a shepherd is to take care of a group of sheep. Okay, children? So sorry. So today in this value education period, I am going to tell you a new story said by Gyani Dadaji. Okay, and this story is all about the shepherd's false alarm. Okay, this story is all about the shepherd and his false alarm. So in value education, we are in lesson number 6, the shepherd false alarm. Let's start. You have to see and concentrate where the teacher is reading. Okay, which line I am reading, which word I am reading. Okay, so that children, even you can try and you can learn or you can repeat after me so that you can learn well. You can take new words in this. Okay. Now, there lived in a village a boy named Amar. Okay, can you see the boy in the picture? I'll show you. This boy is Amar. He was a shepherd. Every day he used to take the sheep to a nearby hillside for grazing. Okay. Every day what he used to do, he used to take the group of sheep nearby area from the mountains for the grazing in the hillside. Okay, there are green grass near the hillside, right? So the shepherd used to take the flock of sheep, the group of sheep together there for the grazing. After a few days, what happened, the Amar was fed up of his job. He was very bored. Okay, he was fed up of his job. He was thinking, what should I do? I am getting very bored. What should I do? So see, what is he doing? One day he shouted, "Help! Help! Wolf! Wolf!" What is he shouting? "Help! Help! Wolf! Wolf!" Hearing Amar's voice, where am I reading, you have to point the finger. Okay, see. Hearing Amar's voice, the villagers ran towards the hill with sticks, spears, spade, etc. Okay. Hearing Amar's voice, the villagers ran towards the hill. Okay. Where was Amar with the sheep? He was near the hill, right? So all the villagers, when they hear that Amar is shouting, "Help! Help! There is a wolf here." So what did all villagers do? They took sticks, they took a spade and they took a spear, whatever tools they have to save sheep from the wolf, to hit the wolf. They brought whatever they had. Okay, they brought and they ran towards the hill where there was Amar. Where is the wolf? Villagers are asking to Amar, "Where is the wolf? You cried, you shouted for the help, right? Now tell me, where is the wolf?" Ha ha ha. There is no wolf. I was just shouting for fun. Oh, what did the Amma say? Ha 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 ha. There is no wolf. I was bored and so I was just shouting for the fun. And he's laughing. So bad, right? Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. See how the way Amar is laughing here. Can you see, children? See, he's laughing. Yes? The villagers got angry. See, the villagers here got angry. You saw the villagers here? They got angry and they went away. Okay. Again, the villagers rushed toward the hill. But there was no wolf. You know what happened again? The villagers, again they heard the Amar was shouting for the wolf that help, help. Again the villagers rushed towards the hill. But what happened again was, there was no wolf. The Amar was lying again. The villagers shouted at Amar. This time also Amar did, ha ha ha, I was bored and I was joking. There is no wolf here. So now villagers shouted to Amar, do you think we are having fun in the fields? Next time if you repeat this, we won't come to help you. The villagers were working in the fields, right? They were working in the fields. They were already very busy. But because of this Amar, as he shouted for help, the villagers left their work and they came running toward the hill to save the sheep and to save the Amar. Right? But what did the Amar do? What did he do? He's lying. He's having fun, right, with the villagers, which is very, very wrong. So now this time the villagers said, if you tell us lie or if you repeat such mistake, we are not coming any time to help you. And the villagers said this very angrily. And they left from there. Then after few days, you know what happened after few days? Amar saw a herd of wolves approaching the hillside. In his fear, he climbed up the tree and shouted. Oh, now what did the Amar see? The Amar saw a group of wolves. There were so many wolves. So the group of wolves is called herd of wolves. Okay, what it is called? It is written here. Herd of wolves. Okay, Amar saw a herd of wolves approaching the hillside. The Amar was on the hillside with the sheep, right? So he saw that there were so many wolves really coming there to the hillside. He got scared. He was afraid. And in his fear, he climbed up the tree and shouted. He saved himself first. What did he do? He climbed up to the tree and sat on the tree. And now he shouted again, help, help, there are wolves here. Please somebody help me. Help, help, wolves. See, shouting so loudly. Can you see? Yes. But the villagers did not turn up. All the sheep were killed. But this time the villagers did not turn up. Because already twice Amar has told lie that help, help, wolf have come, please somebody help me. But he was doing that for fun. And this time really the wolves were there to kill the sheep. And this time the villagers did not turn up. They did not go there. Why? Because they thought that Amar is fooling us again. He is again making fun of us, which is wrong. So this time the villagers did not go to save Amar and they did not believe to the Amar this time. So children, tell me, what did you learn from this story? And all the sheep were killed by the wolves. There were no sheep now. The wolf came and they killed all the sheep. So the Amar was very upset and he was crying that no villagers came to save him this time. Why they did not come? Because the Amar was a liar. He was telling lies all the time. For the fun he was telling lies, which is wrong, right children? Which is wrong, na? So this time nobody came there to help Amar. So what is the moral of the story, children? What did you learn from this story? Those who tell lies are never trusted. If one time you tell lie, two time you tell lie, if I will catch you that you are telling lie, third time I am not going to trust you. Nobody will trust you if you tell lies. Okay, children? Lying is a very, very bad habit. It is very bad. You should never lie. If you are doing any mistake, no problem. You should go and tell the truth and you should tell sorry. You should apologize that I am sorry. This mistake was done by me. I will make sure I won't repeat it again. Please forgive me. I am sorry. But you should always admit your mistake. You should not lie that you have not done. Okay, children? Because the God is seeing everything. He is counting the points that who is telling lie. Okay, so you should never tell lie. And you should always remember this thing. Telling lies will lead you to your downfall. You will never grow up. It will always give you a loss in your life. Okay, means if you tell lies, the God will give some or the other punishment to you. So never think of telling lies, children. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this story and we will come back again in our next session. Okay, thank you, children. Sai Ram.